What is the column name
Dummy.
here?
Dummy.
Dummy.
Dummy. Dual is a table. Dual is a table. Dummy is a column. Okay. Now, for example, normally if you create any table, just mute please. If normally if you create any table in the database, is there any data is there any data into a table after creation of any new table into the system? Is there any data?
No.
No, correct or not? When we are going to insert the data into a table, then we can able to see the data into that particular table, that it's possible, correct? Now, what is my current requirement here? Now, if I'm able to write the query like this, select star from dual. Select star from dual. How many columns are there in this table dual? Only one column, only one value is present dynamically. One value is present automatically only. Who will provide this value? This value will filled by Oracle only. This value will filled by Oracle only. Clear up to this? What is the use of dual table? Dual is a dummy table only. Dual is a dummy table. The dual table is always, it is having the only one column and only one row only. This is the column name. What is the row? What is the data here? It can able to store the predefined value. What it is? X only. In future, if you are able to calculate any mathematical values, then we can use this table. Why do we want to use the mathematical calculations here? If for example, I am going to tell you simple. Now here, normally now you can tell me if I am able to calculate these two numbers, what is the expected output? What is the expected output?
300.
300.
Correct. Now, what is this? These two are called as numbers or not? These two are called as numbers only. For example, now I can write the query like this. Select 100 plus 200. If you are able to write the query like this from EMP table, how many times the value should be printed? How many times the value should be printed? 300. How many times the value should be printed for this 300?
Which columns are printed?
Now, total how many times it should be printed for this output? 14 times only.
14.
Mathematically, is it correct? 100 plus 200 is 300. How many times we are able to print mathematically 100 plus 200? Is it printed only one time or 14 times?
Only one.
Now, is it correct for this? If I'm able to pass the mathematical value into a table, if you want to get the accurate result?
No.
Why? Because in your table is having 14 rows are present. That's the reason the output also it should be printed 14 times only. Now, what the system it can calculate here, the system it should be treated as this one as a column only. If this column is present in the employee table?
No.
If this column is present in the employee table, 100 plus 200 is present in the table, employee table. If you don't know, just you can check that. Describe EMP. Now you can check it. Is there any column? 100 plus 200.
No.
If the column, whatever the value you have given here, this value is not present in the column level. Now, how the system it can be treated as for this? The system it can be treated as a column only for this. Correct or not? What is the heading? For example, I am going to write the employee number only. Now you can tell me. Employee number is present in the employee table or not?
Yes, present.
Yes.
It is present. Now these values are correct only. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
Now here, if I am able to, for this one, 100 plus 200, 100 plus 200, this value is present in our table, column level. If this value is not present in the column, the value should be printed repeatedly only. Okay, clear up to this, all of you. Now here, I am going to write the one more value also. This is my name I have given here. How many times this is also printed?
14 times.
Is it correct?
14.
No, wrong.
No.
When we want to work with, when we want to display the single result of your table output, then the main tables it won't support. Then we can go for the dual table only. Dual table only. Okay. Now here, now you can check it. Not only this table. Now I can go for other tables. Same column names I want to give it here. For these two only, not for others. Just you can check it. I'm going to give that for these two column values as a different table, DEPT. In the department table, how many rows are there as per the data? 4 records are there. In the department table, 4 records are there. That's the reason it can display the 4 values as output. Is it correct? Is it correct for this table?
No.
Now I can write the one more query. Select same output. So I'm going to give it as another table. How many times it is coming? For this table, how many rows are there? Almost 62 or something it is there.
60 rows.
Now this one, how many times it is printing? Mathematically, is it correct?
50 times.
No.
111 rows are there in this table. Now, is it correct mathematically?
No.
I'm able to print a single value as a result. For this mathematical calculations, or if you are able to pass any your own values also in your table, for that case, which table it should be suitable? That is called as a dual table only. Dual table, what is, how many columns are there in the dual table?
One
Only
column.
one column and only one result.
One.
Just check it. Select same values. I am going to pass it here. Select. From dual.
Dual.
From dual. Now run the query. How many times the value should be printed?
One time.
Only one time. Is it suitable or not? Any mathematical calculation able to write, then we can use the dual table only. Not only mathematical, some your own values also. If these values are not present in the table, then we can go for the dual table only. Clear up to this, all of you?
In the sense, one, it is, hard-coded, right? Is there any hard-coded values we can give here?
Hard-coded values only.
Okay.
Why? Because these values, now if we are able to pass these values in your normal tables, main tables, any not predefined tables, employee table, department table, any seeded tables. Now, how the system it can be treated for this? The system it can be treated as a column for this only. Is this column is present in your table? Normally, employee and department.
No.
This the system it can be treated as a column only, correct or not? In the heading level, what it is coming? For example, I am going to write as a D name also for understanding purpose. D name is the actual column, this table or not? Department table.
Yes.
That's the reason the system it can be considered as a column for this column of this department table. For these two, the system it can be treated as a column, but it is for these two headers it won't there in our table. That's the reason for the type of situations we'll go for the dual table only. Okay, clear up to this?
No, clear. Yeah.
Now I can write the anything. Just you can write it as a for example, Oracle Fusion. Now what we are going to print? Oracle Fusion. How we can print it from dual? If this value is present, what is this dual table? Always it can print the single column and single row. Now what it is? Single column, single row. If you are able to add one more, just you can write it. Just I can write as SQL. Is it print the single column, single row? Is it correct or not?
Correct.
This is the way we need to print it. If this heading column names are not present in the main table, then we'll go for the dual only. Now I can go for this dual. What is the dual here? Dual. Then I can show it here.
Instead of doing dual, can we? Instead of doing dual, we are inserting direct table and columns, right? Like DML.
No. If this, for example, I am going to tell you when we'll go for the table. Later I can explain arithmetic operators are coming. Then for this you can able to understand here. Now here, now select salary from EMP. Now in the salary column is present in the EMP table or not?
Yes.
Now if I am able to execute this query. Okay. Now, for example, I want to add the one more column also, employee number. Now you can tell me this column is present in the table or not? Employee number also.
It's present.
Now, I want to add the each and every employee salary. It should be 1,000 only. How we can write the query? Each and every employee salary, I am going to add the 1,000. How we can write the query? How can I write the query? How can I add
Update.
the no, select level only? How we can write the query?
Salary plus 1,000.
Salary plus 1,000 only. Correct or not? Each and every employee, I am going to add the 1,000 rupees only. Now, if I am able to execute this query, now here it can, what it is this? The salary, what is the previous salary of this employee? 5,000. Now it is 1,000 is added or not? Is
Yes.
it added or not for this?
Yes.
Now the salary column is present in the table, then this value you are able to add it here. For example, now I can write the query like this. Salary column is not there. Okay. Now I want to add the directly 5,000 plus 1,000. Now you can tell me, is it adding? Is it correct for this scenario?
No.
For this type of mathematical calculations, if this value is not present in our table, for this case, which table is support?
Dual table.
Dual table only. For this type of scenarios, we need to go for the dual only. For example, employee name also I am going to write it here. Employee name. Is this column is present in the table or not? Employee name.
Yes.
Now I can write as a Oracle. Oracle Fusion only I am going to write it here. Now, is this how the system it can be treated for this? It can be treated as a column only, correct or not? Is this column is present in the table?
No.
Now, how many times the value should be printed for this?
One time.
14
14
times.
14 times.
Now for this is a table, not a dual. If it is a dual, then it can be printed as only one time. Correct or not? Now we can check it. How many times it is printing?
14
In your
times.
employee table is having 1 crore records are there. For this value, how many times it should be printing?
1 crore.
1 crore.
1 crore only. Is it correct?
Yes.
Table level, is it correct? This is a duplicate data, correct or not? Only Oracle Fusion is a one value only. I'm able to see the only one value as a result. But this output, how many times it should be printing? 14 times. Is it correct for this scenario?
No, no. It's wrong.
For this type of situation, then we'll go for the dual table only. Is it clear up to this, all of you? When we'll go for the dual table, for that values, whatever the values you have hard-coded values, if I had to give it here for this table. Okay, that values, if you are able to pass these values into the main table, how many times the value should be printed? In the table, how many rows are there? For example, employee table, how many rows are there? 14 rows are there. Now for this type of values, if you want to give this table 14 times, the output it should be printed. Not only this table, any table if you want to give it.
మోహన్ గారు ఒక డౌట్ యాక్చువల్ గా మనం ఒరాకిల్ ఫ్యూజన్ అనేది కాలమ్స్ ఇచ్చాం కదా బట్ అది కింద రోస్ లో కూడా ప్రింట్ అయింది ఎలాగాని
ఆటోమేటిక్ గా తీసుకుంటుంది ఇది ఇంకా
ఓకే
this can be treated as a column and this can be treated as a value also, row also. For this
అది ఎలా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తుంది మోహన్ గారు అది
సిస్టమ్ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా తీసుకుంటుంది ఇంక ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ అనేది
అంటే అక్కడ మనం స్పెసిఫిక్ కోడ్ కొటేషన్స్ ఇవ్వడం వల్ల కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటుందంట
ఇప్పుడు కొటేషన్ ఇవ్వకపోయినా గానీ నౌ ఈజ్ ఇట్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ గివ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద సిస్టమ్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ టేబుల్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ యాక్సెప్ట్
No.
it can throw the error, correct or not? How the system it can be treated for this is a character data, it is not a string. If you are able to store any character data, always you can give it as a single quote only, correct? Now run this. Automatically the system it can be treated as this values only. Now for example, if I want to give the dates, date I am going to give it hire date when the employee will be joined in the company, then we can write the hire date only. Now for example, I am going to give the current date only. What is the current date? 04 February 2025 I am going to give it here. Okay. Now if you are able to run this query, how many times it is printing? 14 times. Is this correct? If I am going to give this value a single value only for it. This is not a column, correct? But the system it can be considered as a values for like this only. This is not correct. Then we'll go for this type of situation. Then we'll go for the dual table only. Now anything if we want to give it, just I'm going to give it as a date also. Only for this scenario, only one value is printing. 04 February 2025. Now run this query. It can print only single column, single value. This is called as a dual table only. Clear? Now here, what it is there here? Dual table. Dual is a predefined table. Who will provide this? Oracle only. Why do we want to go for the dual table? Any mathematical calculations, any predefined functions it is there in the system. That type of functions we need to go for the dual table only. Who is the owner of dual table? Sys only. Sys is nothing but a user only. Okay. When we want to, now carefully this point, when we want to get the single value as the result, then we'll go for the dual table only. If you're able to see the single value as a result, then we'll go for the dual table. Or when we want to work with non-table data, we use dual table only. This is a table data. This is a table data or non-table data?
Non-table data.
Non-table data. Then we'll go for the dual. Okay. Clear up to this? Next one, same. The coming classes also will work on the dual table only. Now we'll go for the operators. Okay, there are different types of operators are there. Now one by one we'll go for here. Arithmetic operators. Okay, relational operators or relational or comparison operators, both are same. Logical operators. 1 minute. Logical operators. Special operators. Finally, set operators. These many operators are present in the SQL. Okay, only special operators are designed by Oracle only, not for any other languages. Special operators are designed by only Oracle only, not for any other languages. Designed by Oracle purpose only. Okay, now one by one we'll go for it. Already we know that. Already everyone will know the arithmetic operator. Now you can tell me what are the operators will come under arithmetic operators.
Plus or minus.
Plus, minus,
What are all those things?
arithmetic.
Arithmetic operators only, correct or not? Now what are all these? Plus,
Addition.
minus,
Plus.
multiplication, slash. These four operators under come arithmetic operators only. Modulus it is different. Percentage modulus is nothing but that is coming as a numeric function. Later I will explain. Okay, these four operators will come under arithmetic operators only. Now you can tell me, why do we want to go for the addition? Why do we want to go for the addition? Why do we want to go for the subtraction? Why do we want to go for the multiplication?
Adding any two integers.
Now, if you're able to add the two numbers, now which table it can be suitable? Mathematical calculations for the type of scenario. Which table it is suitable?
Salary.
Salary.
No. For example, 300 it is there, one number. Now 200 it is. If I'm able to add these two numbers, what is the expected output? 300 plus 200. If you are able to add it for these two numbers, what is the expected output? How we can get it? By using query. Can we go for the dual table or can we go for the different tables?
Dual table.
Dual table only. What is this? This is a mathematical calculation or not? For
Yes.
example, if you are able to pass this value as a table, now how the system it can be treated as for the table, the system it can be treated as a column only. If this column is present in the employee table or department table, any other tables? No. That's the reason we'll go for the dual only. How we can write it? Select 300 plus 200. Now how we can write it? From dual only. Now run the query. What the output it is printing? Now I can check it. First I can take for all the things. Okay. One. Now if I'm able to execute this query, what the output it is printing? 500 only. What is this? This is called as addition or not?
Yes.
If I'm able to write the one more thing, select 300 minus 200. What it is this?
100.
What is this? What type of operator for this?
Subtraction.
Subtraction, correct or not? Now I can run this query. What the output is printing, is it correct or not? Now if I'm able to write the query like this, select, what it is this? If I'm able to run this query, what is this? What type of operator for this? This is called as a multiplication or not?
Yes, sir, multiplication.
Now here, one more I am going to write it here. Select. Now what it is, this is called as a division. Is it clear?
Yes.
How we can write this arithmetic operator? Now we can go for the table also. Now what is my current requirement? I am able to find out the each and every employee annual salary. How we can write the query?
Select start from
Just you can write the query like this. First you can write the query. Select star from EMP. For this table, now if you are able to execute this query, how many rows are there? How many employees are there for this table?
14.
14
14.
employees are there. Each and every employee is having some salary is there or not for this table?
yes.
Now what is my current requirement? I want to find out the each and every employee annual salary. How we can calculate?
Salary into 12.
Now is it correct?
Yes.
How we can
Yes.
calculate each and every employee annual salary?
Into 12.
12.
Now how can I write the query? I don't want display all the column. If you are able to print all the column, then you can use it. Otherwise, I need to write the
Select
substitute
sal
column.
into.
Employee number, salary into 12. Salary into 12, I can write it here. Just this one, I am going to give it as a alias name here. Later, I can explain what is this alias name. Okay, from EMP. Now, this is for this table, this column is present or not? Salary column.
Yes.
If the column is present, then we can calculate multiplication or not. Is it possible or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, for this salary column is not there in this table. Is it possible for this calculation?
No.
No.
No, it won't possible. But possible only the value should be repeated. That it is not correct. Correct or not? Now I am going to execute the query. If you are able to find out the annual salary of each and every employee or not.
Yes.
All of you clear for this? Each and every employee, the annual salary, is it printed or not? Is this value is a permanent or temporary? Can anyone tell me?
Temporary.
Temporary.
Now, just now I have written the query like this. I am able to find out the each and every employee annual salary only. Now, after that, after execution of this query, it can display some output. Okay, well and good. Now, after execution, now as per this output, is it a temporary or permanent?
Permanent.
Permanent only. Okay. How many people will say permanent or how many people will say temporary?
Is it temporary?
Temporary.
How we can able to say temporary?
We
Because-
just queried query only for the
Query,
Column,
We are
it
just
doesn't have that
retrieving the
column
data
name now.
Hmm?
it doesn't have that column
We are
name.
retrieving the data only. We are not
Very good.
committing.
But we are
Very
not
good.
saying-
What is the purpose of select query?
We are just
Retrieve.
Always
retrieving.
you can able to see the data in the table only, but you cannot change it by using select query. Which query it can change the data?
update or alt.
Update command only.
Update.
Alterate is different. Alterate is a column level only, not for data level.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to change any data in your queries, which command it can be suitable? Update
Okay.
command only. How we can write the query update command for this? Update.
Update.
I don't want update. Just you can check it. How we can write the query? Update. What is
Table.
your table name? That table name you want to take it.
Set.
Set salary equal to salary into 12.
Into
Now
12.
can I write like this or not?
Yes.
Now, what is this? This is the actual column of your table, correct or not? Now, if I'm able to write this, if I'm only, I don't want to write this. First, I want to update this employee's salary of annual salary only. Currently, what is the salary of this employee in the salary column?
5,000.
5,000. I don't want to update. If I'm able to run this query up to this, how many employee salaries it should be updated?
40.
14. Is
14.
it clear?
Yes, clear.
Now, what is my current requirement? I don't want to update all the employees' annual salary. I'm able to update the 7839 employee salary only. How we can write the query?
Where EMP number equal to 7839.
Clear up to this? Where? What I am going to write it here? Where employee number equal to 789 only. That's it. Now, if I'm able to run this query, in the salary column previously, what the value is there for this employee? 5,000
5,000.
only. After execution of this query, what value it can place here?
60,000.
60,000 only. Now you can check it. Now I'm going to run the query. Only one employee. Later, again, I can change it here later. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the commit also. Without applying the commit, is this data is applied?
No.
Permanently is it stored into this particular column?
No.
No.
Now just I am going to apply the commit. Now again, if I am able to run this query again, okay, just check it whether this employee 783 employee salary should be updated to 60,000 or not. How many
Updated.
times is it coming or not?
Yes, coming.
In the previous what it is there 5,000 only. Now it is for this employee salary it should be updated to 60,000 or not.
Yes.
Is it clear up to this? This valid is a temporary or not? Now you can tell me.
Temporary.
Temporary only. This is how we can make the data as a permanent by using which query it can support? Update only. Update and delete commands, write queries only. Write means you can write some data into a database. Read means you can get the data from your database. That's it is called as a select query only. Read always access. Reading or accessing data, then we can write this query. Writing the data, how we can write the data? By using delete and update only. Insert also. Clear up to this? This is called as a arithmetic. Now you can tell me, I'm able to find out the increment of each and every employee. This is the annual salary just now we have seen here by using arithmetic operators only. Now you can tell me, I am able to each and every employee, I'm going to give it as a 10% of increment. How we can write the query?
Select.
Update
EMP.
employee.
First we can write the select query. Later we can write the
Select.
update. No need to worry. Select. Just any column. Just for example, reference. For reference,
Employee
I'm going to take it as a employee number only. Salary.
Salary.
First, you can write the query like this. Now it can display the each and every employee salary only. Now, what is the for this employee? What is the salary? 60,000. If you are able to give the 10% increment, how much it will come? Around 6,000. Total, what is the salary it is coming after salary plus increment? I am able to see this column. How we can write that? Salary plus
10%.
Salary plus
Plus
10%.
10%.
salary into 10
10%.
by 100. Can I write like this or not?
Yes,
Or
right.
if you are able to write the 0.1 also, you can write it directly.
Yes, correct.
If you know the salary percentage, then you can write the query like that. Salary into, salary plus salary into 0.1. You can write it. Then you can get the 10% of increment. If you don't know that value, then you can write the query like this. Salary plus salary into 10 by 100. Now I'm going to run the query. Now you can check it.
Direct percentile ఇస్తే రాదా అండి?
That is
Direct గా
what I'm going to-
percentile ఇస్తే రాదా?
Percentile means where I need to give the percentile.
10 percentile అని ఇస్తే.
But
Salary
it is
into
not
10%.
working. Percentage, which operator it is coming? Mod operator it is coming or not? If you are able to give this percentage, it work?
Okay.
The system,
Okay.
it can be treated as a modulus operator.
Okay,
This
okay.
one. That's the reason Oracle it won't allow. Now, how we can write this? Now I can check it. Each and every employee 10% increment is getting or not by using this query.
Yes.
Yes.
I want to make this data as a permanently in our table. How we can write the query? Now, I don't want to update all the employees. Just you can tell me this employee data I'm able to update the 10% increment only. How we can write the query?
Select.
No, I
Update.
want to
Update
Update
for-
employee.
for this data. Which command it
Update.
can support? Update only.
Update
Update.
employee.
Table name.
Employee.
Set which
Set-
column I want to
set-
update? Salary column.
employee number.
Salary equal to, just you can copy this query. No,
Where?
where only specific employee, not for all.
Where-
Correct?
Employee number equal to-
number
Employee
equals
number equal to 7782.
to 8.
Correct? That it is 88. Sorry. 88 only. Now I am going to execute the query. Is it work or not? How many rows are updated out of 14?
One row update.
Only one. Why? Because one row it is updated, we have given some condition only. Clear? Now I am going to apply the commit. Now run the query. Again, you can run this query and check the output. Is it updated to 10% commission or not?
Yes, it's updated.
Now go to this query 7788. Is it updated or not? In the previous, what is the salary of this employee? 3,000 it is there. Now it is updated to 10% only. Clear?
Yes.
In the select query also, if you are able to write the specific employee, how you can write the query? For that case, next, no need to write this condition, correct? Already, you have updated the salary, employee number and salary. No need to write this condition. Why? Because already you have updated this condition. In the select level, you have write this. Then there is no issue. Already we have updated the query. How we can check it? From EMP, where employee number equal to 7788. Now run the query. For the salary, it is there 3,300. In the previous, what is the for this employee salary? 3,000 only. This is the way we can write it. Clear up to this arithmetic operators? All of you clear for this?
Clear for me.
Now, each and every employee, I am going to give it as a 1,000 salary only. Each and every employee, I am able to give it as a 1,000 increment. 1,000 each and every employee without writing any percent. Directly, they want to give the salary 1,000 only. How can I write the query? Select employee number, salary. Each and every employee salary, you want to add it as a 1,000. How we can write the query?
From example, salary.
Here, how we can write the query? Salary plus
Salary plus 1,000.
1,000.
Each and every employee you want to add the salary 1,000 only. Now run the query. Is it added or not? 60,000 ki 1,000 add just 61. Correct or not? Now I want to make this data as a permanent in our table.
Update.
Then we can go for the update.
Update
Okay.
employee.
Just if you want to update all the employees, then you can write it. Otherwise, if you want to update specific any employee, then you can write the where condition only. This is the way we need to write. Clear? Arithmetic operators. Plus and minus, no one will use. If you want to write the minus also, you can write it as, I want to deduct the each and every employee salary as 1,000. Then how we can write the query? Minus 1.
Minus 1,000.
Now I can write the query like this. What is 60,000? It is there. 1,000 it is deducted. The 59 it will come. Is it correct or not? I want to make this all the data as a permanent. Then we can write it as an update command only. Like that we can write it. Clear? Now I am going to move it as a relational operators only. Now, can anyone tell me what are the operators will cover under relational operators? Already we have discussed yesterday some operators.
Equal to.
Relational operators. What all it is?
Equal to.
Equal to.
In
greater
the
than equal
Oracle, the not equal to, it can written as a like this one. This is one thing. Okay. Less than, greater than symbol, if you are able to write in your query, this operator, what it is? Not equal to only. Next, one more, what it is? Exclamatory mark and equal to. This is also called as a not equal to. Both are same on output, it should be same, but operator, it should be different. Clear up to this? This is called as, this is equal. Already you know that. This is equal operator only. Okay. Next one, what it is? Not equal. Both the symbols. Both the symbols. I can show it for both. Not equal operator. Next one, what it is? Less than. Less than. Next one, what it is? Less than or
Greater than.
equal to. Next one, what is?
Greater than.
Greater than.
Greater than.
What is greater than or equal to. Okay. These many operators under relational operators only. Now, already we had discussed in the where condition in the some operators yesterday only. Correct? Same we need to discuss. Now we can tell me the answers. Now, what is my current requirement? Just I can write the query like this, select star from EMP. Based on this query, can anyone tell me the answers? Now, what is my current requirement? How many employees are working as a department number 30? How many employees are working as a department number 30? How we can write the query?
Select
Clear the
star
requirement.
Department.
Select star from
Select
EMP
star.
where
Star for where
Ah.
department number equal.
What is the operator will come here? What is the operator will come here?
equal to
Equal
only.
to
Is it
30.
clear? When we'll go for the equal? Now, what does it mean for this? In the department number column, if this value is exist, the equal operator, it should be satisfied. Correct or not? In the department number column, for example, I'm able to see the department number 100 details only. If this column is having any 100,
no.
No,
now, if
not
I'm
all.
able to give the 100 here, I want to able to see the department number 100 details only. Now you can tell me what is the output it can print? Is it print
Error.
any output or nothing?
Error.
Error will
No,
display.
No,
Error.
nothing will throw the error. Why? Because this is the actual column only. In this column is having any value? 100 it is present in this department number column as per the data.
No.
Blank.
No, it won't there. It
Blank.
will print nothing only. Nothing will print. Is it okay?
Yes.
If this
Okay.
column is, for example, I want to give it as a department number 1. Unfortunately, I want to give the column like this only. Now you can tell me. If this department number 1 column is present in this table,
No,
If this department number 1 column is present in the employee table,
no,
no, that's the reason the system it can throw the error. If the column is not present in the table, now simply it can throw the error, invalid identifier. Just remember this point. Always, if you are able to see this error message, invalid identifier, what does it mean for this? This column is not present in the table only. If you are able to see this error message, invalid identifier, in your table, that particular column is not present only. This is the way we need to identify. Clear? All of you clear for this? Now, what is my current requirement? How many employees are working as under department number 30? Now, how we can write the query? This is the query we need to write. Now, you can tell me, how many employees are not working as a department number 30?
Not equal to.
Then we can write the which operator?
Not equal to.
Not equal. How we can write the not equal to operator?
Greater than or less than.
Where department number less than greater than symbol. What is this? This is called as a not equal or not? Now I am going to give it as a 30. What does it mean for this? Except this department, I want to be able to see the remaining department details only. Correct or not? What does it mean for this? Not equal to means this except this department, I am able to see the remaining department details only. Now we can run the query. For this query, is it display any 30th department details?
No,
Why?
not equal to given.
If you are able to write the condition like this only. Is it clear up to this? Now I am able to write the one more query. Same query, not equal operator only. Just check it. Now here I am going to write as a exclamatory mark. How many rows are coming in the previous query? In the previous query, how many rows are coming?
8.
Now I am able to execute this query also. Now you can check it. How many rows are coming?
8.
If the output is any difference?
No.
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 Output it should be same. Only operators are different. Is it clear up to this? This is also not equal only. This is also not equal. Anything it can work. Clear? Next one. What is my current requirement? I will tell you. Just I can run this query only. Select star from EMP only. Now how many? I am able to see the. I display the employee details. Whose job is same as the clerk. How many employees are working as a job as a clerk? Now you can tell me.
select star from EMP where job equal
Now
to
clerk, where it is, the value should be present in the which column? Clerk.
job.
Job.
Clerk value is present in the which column? Job only.
Job.
Job.
Now how we can write the query?
Select
Select
star from EMP
Star from EMP.
where job
Where
equal to
Job
equal
equal to
clerk.
clerk only. Now this is also which operator we need to write for this query?
Equal.
Equal only. Equal means what it is? If this value is present in this column, equal operator always it should be true. Correct or not? If this value is not present in this column, nothing will print. If it is false, now I can run the query. What it is the error here? Clerk it is having some colon I have given.
Semicolon.
Now how many clerks are working in this table? Only 4 clerks are working with different departments, 10, 20, 30 only. Is it clear? Now you can tell me. Select star from EMP. I can run this query here only. Now you can tell me the answer. How many employees are having the salary more than 200, 2000? How
Where
many
salary-
employees are having the salary
Where
more than
salary-
2000?
where salary greater than
Where salary
than-
greater than
Greater
2000
than
only.
2000.
Now which symbol will come here? Relational operator. What type of operator will come here?
Greater than.
Greater than only. Is it clear? Equal to is over. Not equal to is over. Now it's come as a greater than only. Now run the query. How many employees are getting the more than 2000 salary
6
as per
employees.
this table? How many employees are there total?
6 employees.
6 employees are having the more than 2000 salary only. Correct? Now again I'm going to write the one more query. Select star from EMP. Now run the query. How many employees are having the salary 1500 and more than 1500? How we can write the query?
Greater than or equal to.
Now we can write the where sal greater than or equal to 1500 only. How many employees are having the salary 1500 and more than 1500? Then we can run this query. Now which operator will come here for here also? What it is? Greater than or
Greater than or
equal to.
equal to.
This is a relational operator only. Correct? Now it can tell me the answer. Select star from EMP. How many employees are having below 2000 salary?
Less than
Less
operator.
than.
Less than only. Now which operator will come here? Less than only. Less than 2,000. Now run the query. How many employees are having the below 2,000 salary?
8.
8
employees.
employees only. Now how many employees are having the salary 3,000 and below 3,000? The details I am able to
Less
find
than
out.
or equal to.
Where salary less than or equal
Less
to
than or equal to
3,000. Now run the query. What it will come here? Now you can check it. Now, is it coming as a values or not?
Yes.
This is the way we need to write it. Clear up to this, all of you? This is called as a relation. Not only this table, any table if you want to go. Not only this, if you want to go for the fusion table also in the, now here, select star from DEPT. Now you can tell me, here there is no salary column. Here there is no salary column, only equal to, not equal to, then we can use it here. Now I'm able to see the department number 40 details for this table. How we can write the query?
Select star from
Star.
Select star
DEPT
from
where department number equal to
Department
40.
number.
Equal to 40. Now we
40.
can write the query like this. Now I don't want able to see the 40th department details. How we can write the query? I'm not able to see the
equal to.
40th department.
Department not equal to
Not equal to 40.
40.
How we can write it here? This is the symbol. Less than, greater than symbol also you can write it, or exclamatory equal also you can write it. Anything it can work. Is it clear? Any table.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to go for any table, then you can use these operators only. Now, different table I am going to write it here. Select star from XX underscore PO header solve. This is the another table. Is there any columns? Amount of columns it is there. Blending amount it is there or not here? There, I think. Price it is there, correct? Now you can tell me. I'm able to see the price. What is the column here? Price only, correct? There are some values are present. I'm able to find out the more than 100 value. More than 100 rupees price. How we can write the query? Here.
Where price equal to
Where? Just
Data
depend.
price.
The employee table, what is the column? Salary column it is. For this table,
Price.
what is the column? Price column it is. Just
price
Go
go
greater
to
than
the
100.
table and what is the column?
Price.
What is this? Salary 100, greater than 100. Now, how many values are there?
Five.
These many rows only, 5 records. Now, I'm able to see the 100 and
Above.
above 100 values. Price.
The-
How can I write the query?
Greater
than
Then
or
we can
equal
write as a
to.
greater than only. This is the way
Greater
we
or
need to
equal
write
to
it.
100.
Depending on the requirement, then you can change the table name and the conditions only. Is it clear? Only
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
going to work on the employee table. The other table, the values are not coming. That is not correct. Depending on what is the table it is there. Go to that table. What is the column it is there? What are the values as per the requirement? Based on that, you can write the query. Okay. Is it clear all
Okay,
of you for this? Relational. Anyone is having any doubts for this? Arithmetic and relational up to this. Can I move to next one?
Yes.
Logical operators. All of you know the logical operators or not? All of you
Yes.
know these logical operators or not?
And or not.
And or not only.
Not.
These 3 operators under logical operators only. Why do we want to go for the and or and not? Why do we want to go for the and or not?
When we have to satisfy two
When
conditions.
we are going to compare the multiple columns data. Up to now, how many columns we have to check it here? Only single column.
Single column.
Correct or not?
Yes.
Now, if you want to, if we are able to compare the multiple column data, then we'll go for the logical operators only. Now, all of you know the AND logic. What is the AND logic? Can anyone knows? AND
When
logic.
both are true,
Both conditions are
All the conditions
satisfied.
data is satisfied. For example, just you can write the like this. A is a column, one column. B is a one column. This is the output result. What the rule of AND? What is the rule of AND as per any language? I think both the columns data is satisfied. Both the columns data is satisfied. Then the output always it should be satisfied only. The logical operators always it can check the Boolean data type only. What is the Boolean data type? Boolean means true or false
true or
only.
false.
True or false. logical operators. What is the data type? Boolean data type only. The Boolean data type, how it's work, whether the condition it should be true, the output is printing. If the condition it should be false, it won't print any output. That is the rule of logical operator.
Logical operators.
Now, what is the rule of AND logic? Both the columns data is satisfied, then the output it should be printed as a true only. Now, for example, this is true. This is also both the columns satisfied. Now, what is the output? Output also true only.
True.
Clear up to this, all of you? Just I'm going to show the example. Then only first you can understand the logic only. One column is having satisfied. One column is not satisfied. What is the expected output of AND logic?
False.
Always it should be false. One column is not satisfied the data. One column is not satisfied. One column is satisfied. Again, what is the logic
False.
of AND?
False.
False.
Now both the column data is not satisfied.
Result
Both the
also
column
false.
data is not
Result
satisfied.
also false.
Now output
False.
also false.
False.
Is it clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes.
This is the logic of AND only. Now you can tell me how many columns we need to compare here as of now.
2 columns.
Two
columns.
columns.
Two.
Now you can tell me if I'm able to compare the 3 columns. What is the logic? Now you can think it like this and you can write the queries also in the. Now here I am going to write the one more column here. C. Now here, now you can tell me this one only I am going to apply here. How many columns I have given here? What is the result? All the
True.
3 column data
True.
is satisfied. What is the AND logic here?
True.
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 Now
False.
one column is satisfied, 2 columns are not satisfied. What is the output
False.
here?
False.
False.
False only.
False.
For example, 2 columns are satisfied. Not this. 1 minute. 2 columns are satisfied. Only 1 column is not satisfied. What is the AND logic?
False.
False.
False only. When it will be true, both
When the
multiple
all-
columns.
all
the columns.
All
are
the
good,
columns it should be satisfied. All the columns data is present in our table. Now what is the AND logic? Always it should be true only. Now here all are false. Now this is also
Result
false.
also
only.
false.
If you are able to add the one more column, based on that you can add it. Is it clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now for example, now you can tell me simple example I am going to tell you. Salary. Okay. Salary is the 5,000. Okay. Job is the manager. Job is the manager. What is our condition? This is the condition only. Now, what are the values are present in the table? For example, employee table, salary it is there. What it is? One more column, job it is there.
Job.
Okay. Now, what are all the values are there? 1,000 it is there. Clerk it is there. Just assumption I am going to tell you. Next, 2,000 it is there. Now, what it is? Manager it is there. Okay. Next, what it is? 3,000 it is there. Now, it is HR. Next one, what is 4,000 it is there. Okay. Now it is president, not president,
CEO.
analyst. Anything we can write it here. 5,000 it is there. Now I'm going to give it as a president. Now we can tell me. What is the first column? Salary only.
Salary.
Okay. What is the next column? Job
Job.
only. Now I'm going to give the result. What is our condition? As per the requirement, what is the requirement here?
Salary 5,000. Job manager.
Salary 5,000 and job is the manager only. If these 2 values are satisfied, then the AND logic it should be true or not. Now we can check the data. Which values it should be satisfied as per the data? Now I can write it here. What is the first value? Salary is 1,000. Okay, correct? Now what is the next value? Job. What is the value? Next value for this job? Clerk only. Is it satisfied?
No.
No.
For this one, salary it is what it is? 5,000 equal to 1,000. False only. Clerk equal to manager. Is it true or false? False. False and false. What is the result? Again,
False.
false only. This row it is not printing. Next one. Go to next. What is this next? Salary it is 2,000. 5,000 equal to 2,000. Condition should be true.
No.
What is the condition here? Salary column
5,000.
5,000.
5,000.
5,000 equal to 2,000. No. Next one. What is manager equal to manager? Condition it should be true. Now false and true. Is it true? Unlogic.
False.
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 Now come to this next one. 3,000. 3,000 equal to 5,000. Is it true? What is the value here?
False.
Salary
False.
5,000. 3,000
False.
equal to 5,000. False. Next one is HR. Again false. What is the end result? False only. Next come to this. 4,000. Again false. What it is? Analyst only.
False.
False only. Finally, next one, check this value. What it is? 5,000. 5,000 equal to 5,000. Condition is true or false?
True.
True.
True only. Next one, president, what it is this? Just I'm going to give it as a manager only. Now I can write it here, manager. Now
True.
tell me, is it value is true or not?
True.
Both the
Both are
columns data
true.
is satisfied against your condition or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, finally, out of how many rows are there in your table, employee table, salary, and this one job, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. Out of 5 rows, under logic, how many records it is satisfied?
Only
One.
one.
Only one. If you are able to write the query by using AND operator, multiple columns we need to compare. How many rows is it printing as per the data?
Only one column.
Only
One.
one. Clear up to this AND logic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now you can tell me. Anyone is having any doubts? Can I go to the example?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Table level.
Yes.
Yes.
Now you can tell me the answer only. Now I am going to write the query like this. Select star from EMP. EMP. I am going to write the query like this. Okay.
Where?
First, it can display the 14 rows. Is it clear up to this? Now I can write the condition like this. Where department number equal to 30. Okay. Now, okay. For this one, if I am able to write this condition, how many rows are printing?
6 rows.
Just take this data. Just for understanding purpose only, I'm going to tell you. Just take this data only. Okay. In the previous, from where we need to write? Here only. Here only I'm going to write it here. Now these are the values are present. Okay. Now what is my current requirement? Currently for this query, it can display the department number 30 details only. Is it clear up to this, all of you? For this query, it can display the department number 30 details. How many rows are printing as of now? As of now, how many
Six.
rows are printing?
6 rows.
6 rows only. What is my current rate? Under department number 30, under department number 30, just to go for this here. Under department number 30, which employee salary is having 1250. The details I am able to find out. What is our current requirement? How many columns we need to check it here? One is the department number. What is the value here? Department number
30.
What is the next condition in the department number
Salary.
30?
Salary.
How many employees are having the salary 1250? How many columns we need to
Salary
compare
equals to-
here? How many columns we need to compare here?
2.
2 columns.
In the only if I'm able to find out the department number 30 details, how we can write the query? This is the query, it should be enough. Correct or not?
Yes.
Now, what is my current requirement? In the department number 30, how many employees are having the salary 1250? If you know the data, then you can write then you can say the answer very, very fastly. Correct or not? In the department number 30, how many employees are having the salary 1250 as per the given data?
2 members.
2 employees.
Two.
2 employees only. For this one, what is the employee currently? 7521 and these 2
765.
employees are having
765.
1250 and with the department number 30. How we can write the query? Then we can go for the AND operator.
And operator.
How we can write it? Clear up to this, just adjust the data. Now you can tell me the answers only. For understanding purpose, I am going to write it here. Okay. This is the department number 30. Just adjust here. Now can anyone tell me the answer? What is this? First column, department number only. What is the department number? 30. What is the next column? Salary.
Salary
1250.
1250.
Now we can write the conditions. How many columns are there? Department, salary, result. Okay, just assumption for understanding purpose. Now first, what is this department number 30? Is the condition should be true or false? First column.
Oh,
What is the salary for this department? First employee, what is the salary?
2850.
Now condition is
False.
satisfied.
False.
2850 equal to
False.
1250. False. True and false. What is the result? It can print always false only.
False.
Now go to next record. 30 satisfied. Next one, what is the salary?
1600.
1600. Now the condition is satisfied.
False.
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 Now one condition is true, one condition is false. Again, it should be false. And next one, 30. What is the salary?
1250.
1250. The condition is satisfied or not? Both the columns.
Yes. Yes.
If it is
True.
satisfied, you want to
True.
print the output
True.
or not? True.
True.
Next one, 30th department, again 1250.
1250.
Again, the condition should be satisfied or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Now next, go to 30. What is the value? 1500. Is it true?
No.
One condition is satisfied, another one is Not satisfied.
False.
Now what is the end result? False.
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 Now 30. What is the final value? 90. Now you can tell me the answer. Finally, now after execution of this query, how many rows is it printing as per expectation?
2 rows.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now how we can write the query? Just I am going to write the query like this. Just observe here. Select star from EMP. First, what is the condition? Where?
Where?
Department
Department
number
number
equal
equal
to
to
30. Next,
30.
which operator we need to? Which
30.
operator we are going to
And-
work? And only. And which column? Salary.
Salary
Equal
Salary.
to
equals to
12.
1250.
What does it mean for this? First, it
What
can
should
display the
satisfy?
First, it can display this table only. Select star from me. It can display all the employees only. Now, next, what is the condition here? Out of 14 employees, if you are able to run this query, only 6 employees it can be displayed. Out of 6 employees, how many employees are having the salary? 1250. The details only it can display this query. Now we can check it. How many rows are coming?
2.
After execution of this query by using logical operator. Our logic also, is it correct or not?
Yes.
Now these 2 rows only it's printing finally, correct or not? Is it clear up to this, all of you?
Yes.
Anyone is having any doubts for this and operator? Now you can tell me the answer. One more question for the same table only. Select star from EMP.
From spelling.
From.
Okay. Now, job what it is, salesman it is there, correct? Job, I am going to write the salesman. How many salesman employees are there? How many employees are working as a job salesman? Now we can write the query normally.
Where
Job
job
equal
equals
to
to
salesman.
salesman.
Okay. Now here, just I can write the query like this. How many employees are working as a job salesman?
4.
4.
4 only. Now here, I am able to find out the employee name only. Employee name only. In the department number, what is this? Job is a clerk. Whose employee name is a ward? Now here, job as a clerk only. Okay. I am able to find out the along with the name also. Employee name also I am able to find out. What is the job? Currently clerk only.
Clerk.
Okay. Now in under that clerk, I am able to find out the employee name only. What is that employee name? Ward only. I am able to find out this name. How we can write the query? First, if you don't know, just you can write the copy this data. For understanding purpose, I am going to tell you for all the things. How you can write it? First, you can copy this data only. First, you can practice like this, then only you can able to understand the AND operator very, very easily. Now here, am I able to adjust this? Now you can tell me. What are the columns we need to compare? Job and one more what is? E-name only. E-name. Next you can write the result. First, job. What is the job here? First,
Salesman.
salesman.
Clerk.
Sorry, salesman. We can write the query salesman. Okay. Copy it here. What is the e-name here? Corresponding?
Alan.
Alan only.
Alan.
For the condition we need to receive as per the requirement. Job
Ward.
salesman. Job is the
Employee name
salesman.
word.
Employee name ward only. Correct? Employee name, what it is? Ward only.
Ward.
These details I am able to find out. Okay, ward only. Now you can go for your query.
Not satisfied.
No?
It's false.
This is it satisfied for this first row?
No.
No. Now go to the next one. Salesman, ward. Now both the values is satisfied or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Now if this satisfied, what is the unlogic?
No.
True only.
True.
Next one, salesman. Okay. Next, what is the value? What is the employee name here? Martin.
Martin.
Is it satisfied? One
No.
value is satisfied, one value is not satisfied. Unlogic always false only. Next one. What is the next one? Salesman and Tarna. Is it satisfied? One column is satisfied, another one is not satisfied.
False.
No, unlogic always false. Now you can write the query. Now how many rows are printing finally? For this condition, how many
Only
rows are
one
printing?
row.
Only one.
Only one row.
Now I can run the. How I can write the query? How we can write it?
Select star from
star
employee
from
where
EMP.
job
Where
is salesman
job
and
equal to salesman. Salesman. First you can run the query. What is the next requirement under the salesman? Whose name is what?
Word.
Just I can write as and name
E name
equal to
is
what?
word.
That's it. Now I can write like this only. Now I'm able to how many records are we need to get it finally? Only one.
Only one will.
Is it correct or not? As per scenario also.
Yes.
This is the way we need to find out. Tomorrow I will show you the few more example. Any difficulty for this?
No.
If you are able to compare multiple columns data, then what we are going to do? Now, what we are going to, which operator will be suitable for this scenario? And
And
operator. And operator only. Clear?
yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubts? For this relational operators, arithmetic operators, and logical operators of one.
Recording stopped.
Tomorrow I can show you the OR operator and NOT operator only. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
మీకు ఎవరో అడుగుతున్నారు కదా సిస్టమ్ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వడం లేదని, అయిందా అది ఎవరికన్నా? నవీన్ ఉన్నాడా?
అది లేదండి, నేను సూర్యని.
ఓకేనా సూర్య, కనెక్ట్ అయిందా?
అవ్వట్లేదు గురుగారు అది.
అది ఇక్కడ మీరు ఫోల్డర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళేసి ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ మీరు SQL డెవలపర్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి, క్లిక్ చేయండి, ఇలా వస్తుంది మీకు. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇక్కడ ATP డేటాబేస్ యూజర్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ వ్యాలెట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆయన ఇచ్చిన వ్యాలెట్, క్లౌడ్ వ్యాలెట్, అది ఇక్కడ బ్రౌజ్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ బ్రౌజ్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ బ్రౌజ్ చేస్తేనే ఆ ఫైల్ వస్తుంది ఇక్కడికి. ఏదైతే
క్లౌడ్ వాలెట్ అది లేదండి, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి షేర్ చేస్తారు గురుగారు.
అది నా దగ్గర లేవు. అక్కడ ఆయన మన గ్రూప్ లోనే పెట్టచ్చు, SQL ఏదో లొకేషన్ ఉందని పెట్టచ్చు వంశీ. అది గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్ లో ఏదో లొకేషన్ లో పెట్టచ్చు.
ఓకే, నేను చూస్తాను.
ఒకసారి మన చాట్ లోనే చూడండి మీరు ఒకసారి.
అది SQL ఫోల్డర్ లోనే ఉంది చూడండి.
అదే ఎక్కడో పెట్టాడు, అది ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉండండి.
యాపిల్ స్టార్ డ్రైవ్ లో ఉందండి అది.
డ్రైవ్ లో ఉంటది చూడండి ఒకసారి.
SQL సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అని ఒక ఫోల్డర్ ఇచ్చారు.
ఆ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో మీరు అది బ్రౌజ్ చేసుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని ఇక్కడికి అప్లోడ్ చేయండి. అక్కడ అప్పుడు యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ మీకు అది వెల్కమ్ ఏదో ఉంటది, ఆ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇవ్వండి, కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే
ఓకే, ఇది క్లియర్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఆపరేటర్స్. ఆపరేటర్స్ అయితే వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ చూడండి. ఇంకా మీకు ఎక్కువ మేజర్గా ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏదైనా క్వెరీ చూడండి, ఫ్యూజన్ అండ్ ఆపరేటర్ అనేది ఉందా లేదా మీకు? చూసారా ఏదైనా క్వెరీస్ కానీ క్వెరీస్ చూసారా ఎప్పుడన్నా? క్వెరీ చూసినప్పుడు అక్కడ అందులో అండ్ ఆపరేటర్ అనేది వచ్చిందా లేదా? చూడండి, ఏదైనా మీకు ఇంకా జాయింట్స్ అనేది రాలేదు, డిఫరెంట్ టేబుల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ టేబుల్స్ మీకు ఏంటి వేర్ కండిషన్ అనేది కంపల్సరీ ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత ఎందుకంటే అండ్ అని ఉంటుంది. ఇట్లా అండ్స్ అని వచ్చాయి ఏంటి దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? మల్టిపుల్ కండిషన్స్ మనం కంపారిజన్ చేస్తున్నామని దీని మీనింగ్. ఒకవేళ ఇవేవి లేవు అనుకోండి, ఏంటి దాని మీనింగ్? ఆల్ ద రోస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రింటింగ్. ఇది మీకు దానికోసమే మీరు అండ్ అనేది రాసుకుంటూ వెళ్తారు. ఎందుకంటే నాకు అన్ని వాల్యూస్ వద్దు, ఏదైతే వాల్యూస్ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతున్నాయో ఆ రికార్డ్స్ కావాలి. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే అండ్ ఆపరేటర్ అనేది రాస్తున్నారు అంతే. ఓకేనా? ఓకే అండి మరి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.